It's Christmas Eve, girl. Put on your nightgown made of flannel. Light a fire, girl. Put those stockings on your mantle. Make sure all those presents are wrapped up underneath that tree, 'cause you know tonight is just for you and me. It's not that you're alone on Christmas Eve, 'cause you've got 3 boyfriends who can never leave. To some folks, this might look like Hades, 'cause tonight is Christmas for cat ladies.
Get this party started with a brand new cat toy. Can't catch that laser light, but it brings you so much joy. But look at him go, oh, he's faster than a Mercedes.
'Cause tonight is Christmas for cat ladies. Now he's a little worn out from chasing that dime, so you should dress him up in that cute outfit you bought. Hug him tight, oh so tight, and pretend he's your Greg Brady. Yeah, tonight is Christmas for cat ladies. What's this, girl? He got you a gift. Watch out, girl, looks like he killed it. Is that a rat? No, I think it's a bat. Better watch out, baby, unless your Christmas list is for rabies. Oh, my bad, girl, it's just a hairball.
This party's off the hook. Why don't we turn these lights down low? Open up that other bottle of Pinot Grigio. Oh, come on now, you know I'm just trying to change the subject from rabies.
'Cause tonight is Christmas for cat ladies. I know that look. You finished all the wine, and it's 10:30, so it must be bedtime. Stumble into bed, your vision's getting hazy, 'cause tonight is Christmas for cat ladies. That's it, girl. Why don't you pop in some Love Actually? It's no time for Scorsese, 'cause tonight is Christmas for cat ladies.